Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide a page in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can log into your account. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard under which we can find all the websites we can access. And what you want to do is open up the website where you want to hide the page for. So I'm going to click the website button. That's going to open up my website in a new page where at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access such as pages, styles, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started changing and hiding a page. So what we want to do is to go ahead and open up the pages section right here under website. So go ahead and open up pages and now we can find all the pages that we have. So as you can see, I have my page, blog, store, and so on. And what we want to do is go ahead and find this settings icon right here next to the page that we want to hide. So you want to click the settings icon, and after opening up the settings icon, you can see here we have in the general section all the options we can access. And guys, one of the options is going to be called enable page. So guys, if you want to hide your page and you do not want your page to be able to be accessed by site visitors, what you can do is just turn this off. And now guys, nobody will be able to access it except you. And once you want to give it and bring it back so everybody can access it, just go ahead and enable it again and it will be coming back. So I hope this video was helpful guys. That's how you do it. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. So bye.